you could mic me up here. We're finished. We concluded with the first act. So with that, we're going to ask everyone to go over to the hall and buy lots of raffle tickets, eat a lot of food, eat, drink, and be merry. And every dollar you spend on a raffle ticket, every silent auction item you put a ticket in, you help the Comboni missionaries. So with that, was this an awesome first half? Are they magnificent performers? Donating all of their time, all of their talent for free. Thank you, all of you. We'll see you back in about 20 minutes.